When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
We're in Excelsior, Minnesota, and this behind me is Lake Minnetonka. The weather was pouring before, it's starting to clear up for a little while, so hopefully it will stay. It looks really nice. See some blue skies over there. And some cute houses. The town, we drove through it, looks really cute. I want the blue skies to move over to the lake. Get some good pictures. There's a whole bunch of tables, picnic tables. You have a picnic. It's by the baseball field in the area. But it was pouring, so it starts with a W. Do you remember what the name of that beach was?
Winnetonka? No, Wizania? I don't know.
It was a quick little stop because it was pouring, so, but then we got to Excelsior and it was really cute. We drove down in the rain through the town. It looked really adorable. We're going to check it out now, and we sat right by the water, and it thankfully cleared up, at least for a while, and it's actually getting blue skies, and it's really, really nice. I believe over there you can take a paddle boat on the lake if you choose.
Put your feet in there. It's President Johnson's footprints. You have bigger feet than he did. Minnehaha Falls is a 53-foot waterfall in Minneapolis, Minnesota, located in Minnehaha Regional Park, where Minnehaha Creek flows into the Mississippi River. Famous for its beauty in all seasons, it gained international fame from Henry Wadsworth Longfellow's poem, The Song of Hiawatha. The park offers hiking trails, a swimming hole, and a statue of Hiawatha and Minnehaha, with the falls accessible via overlooks and a path down to the creek.